Electric pressure cookers are a game changer for anyone who loves to cook, but struggles to find the time. There are many products available to choose electric pressure cookers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electric pressure cookers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, make yogurt, warm food, and cook rice. With 13 customizable smart programs, you can easily cook ribs, soups, beans, poultry, desserts, and more with a quick one-touch cooking feature. This cooker is perfect for growing families, singles, meal prepping, and batch cooking, and can cook for up to 6 people. The food-grade stainless steel inner cooking pot is perfect for sautéing and has a tri-ply bottom for even cooking. The Instant Pot app with over 8. Number 2. 6-quart 9-in-1 multifunctional built-in, 11 presets programs pressure pot. Introducing the Bisuzu 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker, the ultimate kitchen appliance that combines the functions of 9 different appliances in one. With just a touch of a button, you can use it as a pressure pot, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, egg cooker, yogurt maker, food warmer, and sterilizer. It's perfect for busy individuals or growing families, as it can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. The 24-hour delay timer allows you to prepare meals in advance, while the LED display keeps you informed of the cooking progress. With advanced safety features and a 6QT non-stick inner pot, cleaning up is a breeze. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to convenience with the Bisuzu 9-in-1 pressure cooker. Number 3. Comfy Pressure Cooker 6-quart. Comfy Pressure Cooker is a multifunctional programmable cooker that replaces 9 common kitchen appliances. With 12 preset smart programs, you can pressure cook, sauté, bake, stew, steam, slow cook, make soup broth, rice, oatmeal, bean chili, yogurt, and cook eggs. The electronic customized recipes are designed for busy people who need to satisfy their whole day needs. The advanced safety protection features include lid lock, anti-block cover, pressure limiting valve, automatic pressure and temperature control, and overheat protection. The healthy non-stick inner pot is dishwasher safe and cooks for up to 6. Number 4. Crock-Pot Express 6-quart electric pressure cooker. The Crock-Pot Express 6-quart electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a pressure cooker and a food warmer. With its oval-shaped pot, you can easily fit large cuts of meat without the need for stacking and slicing. The one-hand easy fit lid allows you to align the lid effortlessly, saving you time and effort. The quick clean function is a convenient feature that helps you remove odors and discoloration from the gasket and pot in no time. With programmable pressure cooking and a built-in timer, you can cook your meals with precision and convenience. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. The Crock-Pot Express pressure cooker is a must-have for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Number 5. Nesco NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Cooker. The Nesco NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Cooker and Canner is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that is designed for pressure canning, pressure cooking, steam cooking, and slow cooking. It features limiting valves, a digital display, a removable 9.5 QT non-stick cooking chamber that is dishwasher safe, and a safety lock lid with automatic float valve. The device also includes a canning rack and steam rack for canning and cooking options, and a removable condensation catcher for easier cleanup.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.